Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about the word aggressive. Let's begin. What does aggressive mean? It describes someone or something that acts in a strong and forceful way. Aggressive means strong and angry. When someone is aggressive, they show power and anger together. Aggressive behavior includes actions like shouting, pushing, or showing anger toward others. These actions can hurt feelings. Some animals can be aggressive. A growling dog or a roaring lion shows aggression to protect themselves or their territory. In sports, players can be aggressive. They play hard, compete strongly, and give their best effort to win the game. Body language shows aggression too. Crossed arms, clenched fists, staring eyes, and a loud posture all signal aggressive feelings. An aggressive tone of voice sounds loud, sharp, and angry. The way we speak can show how we feel inside. Aggressive words are harsh and strong. They can hurt others and create conflict. We should choose our words carefully. Let's compare calm and aggressive. A calm person is relaxed and smiling. An aggressive person is tense and frowning. Can you see the difference? When is aggressive bad? Aggression is bad when it causes fights, hurts people, or creates problems. It can damage relationships. When is aggressive good? Sometimes aggression helps us defend ourselves, compete in sports, or stand up for what is right. Animals can be aggressive or friendly. A growling dog shows aggression. A wagging tail shows friendliness. Both are natural behaviors. In nature, animals act aggressively to hunt for food or protect their homes. This is how they survive in the wild. Aggressive driving is dangerous. It includes speeding, honking loudly, and driving too close to other cars. Always drive safely. Aggressive advertising uses loud colors, big signs, and strong messages to grab your attention and make you buy something. Being aggressive at work can cause problems. Arguing with coworkers or acting bossy creates a bad environment for everyone. Pets can be aggressive too. Dogs may growl and cats may hiss when they feel scared or threatened. Handle them gently. Kids sometimes act aggressive during play. They might push or argue. It's important to teach them to play nicely with others. Aggressive is different from passive. Aggressive people act strong and forceful. Passive people are quiet and avoid conflict. Colors can feel aggressive. Bright reds, oranges, and yellows create strong, intense feelings. They grab our attention quickly. Music can sound aggressive. Loud, fast beats and heavy sounds create energy and excitement. Rock music is often aggressive. How do we recognize aggression? Look for angry facial expressions, a harsh tone of voice, and tense body language. To stay calm, take deep breaths, smile, and think of peaceful things. Staying calm helps us avoid aggressive behavior. When you feel aggressive, count to 10, take a walk, or talk to someone you trust. These actions help you feel better. Stories often show aggressive characters. Heroes fight villains, and conflicts create excitement. Aggression makes stories interesting. Movies show aggression in action scenes. Characters act strong, fight battles, and show intense emotions on screen. Sometimes aggression is funny. Pets play fighting or kids pretending to be tough can make us laugh. It's all in good fun. Be careful with aggression. Too much can hurt others and cause trouble. Always think before you act. Remember, aggressive means strong, forceful, and sometimes angry. It can be good or bad depending on the situation. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. Keep exploring new words with us. See you next time.